I was putting a round bale, getting a round bale ready to feed to some of the animals here on the farm at Halmar's farm, and looked up and saw this huge flock of gulls flying over the farm, and they're just kind of circling above the farm right now. And I suppose that could be partly due to the big flooding of the brook this morning from the heavy rainfall yesterday and overnight from the nor'easter that went through. I don't know how well this will come out, but they're kind of fading off to the east now. Oh, they're all the way over here, going over the house, kind of swirling around in the wind. You can catch some of the birds. And away they go, off to the north, up over the treetops.